Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop Google Chrome from asking to save passwords. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open Chrome's comprehensive settings page where you can customize almost every aspect of your browsing experience. The settings page is organized with different categories to help you find what you need quickly. Now, on the left side of the settings page, you'll see a vertical navigation menu with several options. Look for and click on Autofill and Passwords. This section controls how Chrome handles your personal information, payment methods, and login credentials. It's an important area for managing your privacy and security preferences. Within the Autofill and Password section, you'll notice an option called Google Password Manager. Click on this option to access Chrome's built-in password management system. This is where Chrome stores all your saved passwords and gives you control over how the browser handles password saving and autofill features. Once you're inside the Google Password Manager interface, look again at the left side navigation panel. You'll see another settings option specific to password management. Click on this settings option to access the password-specific configuration options. This is where you can fine-tune exactly how Chrome interacts with passwords across different websites. After clicking Settings, you'll see various password-related options displayed on the right side of the screen. Look for the option that says Offer to save passwords and passkeys. This is the setting that controls whether Chrome prompts you each time you enter login credentials on a website. When this feature is enabled, Chrome automatically detects when you've entered a username and password and asks if you'd like to save them for future use. Right beside the Offer to save passwords and passkeys text, you'll notice a toggle button. This toggle is currently turned on, which is why Chrome keeps asking you to save passwords. Simply click on this toggle button to turn it off. Once you do this, the toggle will switch to the off position, typically changing color to indicate the feature is now disabled. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Google Chrome from asking to save passwords. From now on, Chrome won't prompt you with those save password notifications whenever you log into websites. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.